Yeah, we've had some off and on rainfall and some breezy winds throughout much of the day. That's what we saw yesterday, and that's what we're going to continue to see as we go into the week ahead. My biggest concern in the week ahead is going to be for some locally heavy rain that could lead to some flooding further inland. Otherwise, coastal flooding concerns will continue through the week. Rainfall total since midnight over an inch in the Buras area, under a half of an inch for the rest of southeast Louisiana and going into South Mississippi. And we're seeing a break for the most part as the heaviest of rain is just offshore. Port Fourchon getting some of that heavy rainfall right now. There's been some water covering the roadways in areas there. And then out toward the east, you're seeing more heavy rain. And so this is going to gradually build in. We'll see more rainfall tonight. And then as the system just kind of sits across Texas and then eventually will build toward the northeast, we will be seeing more rainfall opportunity, and those gusty winds will be sticking around as well. 4 o'clock advisory, winds of 60 miles per hour. It's moving west-northwest at 6 miles per hour. The big problem for Texas, it's expected to move onshore Monday afternoon, winds of 60 miles per hour, and then it slows down and then makes a turn to the northeast. So you've got a good 24 hours where it's just kind of sitting there, and so rainfall and coastal flooding there will also be a big concern. Then it heads off toward the northeast across Houston on Wednesday as it continues to weaken. A tropical depression Wednesday afternoon, and as it crosses into Louisiana Thursday afternoon, it'll be a remnant low. But the concern for us, we're going to be on the east side, and so all this moisture will continue to stream in, and that's why we are seeing some concerns for our area. Tropical storm warnings continue across parts of Texas all the way towards southeast Louisiana, not for our areas, but just offshore. Those warnings also across southwest Louisiana includes Cameron Parish, which is still recovering after Hurricane Laura. So further inland, the concern is for flooding. Flash flood watch is in effect through Wednesday evening, 3 to 5+ inches possible during that time. Now, if we get this rainfall spread out over 4 to 5 days, it won't really be a big concern. It's when you get those downpours that kind of sit, and our soils are already saturated now because we've had some off and on rain for the past several days. That's going to be the big concern. Otherwise, this is a coastal flooding event. Those gusty east winds will continue to push water on shore 3 to 4 feet for those east-facing shorelines across southeast Louisiana through noon Monday, and then 1 to 2 feet will continue as we head through the middle part of the week. And check out the winds, 24 miles per hour at the lakefront, sustained 25 down toward Port Fourchon, and some locations seeing gusts 30 miles per hour or higher. Checking out the forecast, there's the rainfall, and notice how it just continues to trail across southeast Louisiana, even though it's making landfall Monday in Texas. So we'll see rounds of some heavy rainfall going into Wednesday. More thunderstorm activity and locally heavy rain. And then here comes the system Thursday, finally starting to move out by the end of the week. So we are going to continue to see these rainy, breezy conditions as we head through the week. Also, this area of low pressure over Florida has a very low chance for development, but may aid in the moisture content across our area. But as this system beta is sweeping across, it's going to cut through this system and really going to limit its potential for tropical development. But just letting you know that it is out there. So your rainfall totals, again, if we see this over a spread of 5 to 6 days, it's very manageable. But we could see 4 to 6+ inches of rainfall when all is said and done by the end of the week. Hey, here's one positive note here. High temperatures today, low to mid 70s for most of the area. And when you have that kind of breezy wind, it actually feels a little cool outside. So upper 60s to the low 70s. Overnight tonight, again, scattered showers continue. Breezy winds out of the east. So that is where the concern is for coastal flooding. Showers throughout the day tomorrow. Heavy downpours is what we'll be watching out for. As you look at your 7-day forecast, lower rain chances arrive as we go toward next weekend.